Alright, well, shalom everybody. Somebody asked me what kind of paint I used on my last little crafts project, and you can see this. I'm not a professional artist, by the way, if you can tell. But this didn't turn out too bad for somebody that's still practicing, right? So they were asking what kind of paint and stuff, because they had some garden statues. This set I bought on Amazon online. It's just basic acrylic. I think I was reading an article. There's like student quality and professional quality acrylic, but I think the professional quality is like more saturated, I believe, or something like that. Maybe it dries faster. Not very much difference between student quality and professional quality. So these were, I don't know, I don't remember how much I paid, but I remember shopping around for a good deal. I'm a penny pincher, if you couldn't tell. Yeah, so basically you just kind of pick a color. I like these because they're in the tube already, so you just squeeze it out onto your paintbrush. I also have some of the jars that they're okay if you're going to use it like a whole bunch at once. It's fine, but I like the tubes better because, like I said, they don't dry out like the other ones do. Okay, so the this one right here, this statue I had painted like maybe a week ago. Well, from experience, I know that paint tends to flake off if you don't clear coat it. And actually, it wasn't just from experience. I had read online, little tips and tricks and stuff. So I clear coated it with this stuff. I tend to use something a little bit cheaper, can of polyurethane. This is actually cheaper, like per ounce or whatever. It goes a long way, just so you know. I can't even get the lid off. Any pro tips? I can't find my paint thinner. I was going to pour some paint thinner around the lid to kind of pry it off. Anyway, but it goes a long way if you buy the polyurethane. This is basically the same thing, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Anyway, so I just sprayed all over it. These I did not clear coat. And as you can tell, of course, this one I probably touched it up maybe over a year ago. These I actually used nail polish the first time, and I was like, oh, okay, well, trial and error. This was like a really bright orange, like this color. Well, anyway, it faded, as you can tell, so I need to redo that. But this one chipped really bad. I did not clear coat this. So if you use acrylic, and it's been sitting out in the rain, which is fine, but if you don't clear coat it, at least with this stuff, which is, like I said, it's just cheaper. But if you don't clear coat it, you'll end up flaking off really fast. This too also flaked, but it took a lot longer. But I'm going to go ahead and redo it and then clear coat it. So, but that's basically it. Acrylic and polyurethane. Pretty simple, right? And yeah, and then I even have time to not poke myself on sharp nails. And maybe use some wood glue, which also is waterproof after it's dried. And yeah, looks good. All right, have a good day. Shalom.